A very good morning to all of you. Let me welcome you all for this English class. Today we are going to see few grammar topic future. Adoda exercises we are going to see. We have seen what is future and what are the four basic structures of future. Simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. That all we have seen in the last class. Now we are going to see part 2, which is exercises. Okay, exercises of grammar topic future. Take page number 88 in your book. Take page number 88 in your book. We have seen all the formulas, okay, and formulas with example all we have seen, and what are the other ways to use future, that also we have seen. For example, going to, about, and using simple present continuous, all these things we have seen in the last class itself. Now we are going to see exercises. Okay, take page number 88. First exercise, which future form should they use? Which future form should they use? Read the first one. You have to write it as a future tense. Okay, first one, Arun wants to tell Jasmine that he doesn't want to do an extra assignment. Arun wants to tell is a future. Arun wants to tell Jasmine that he doesn't want to do an extra assignment. So how can you write it? Arun tells Jasmine, I will not do an extra assignment. I will not do. So how Arun tells. Okay, this is for example direct speech. So direct speech. So write it down the answer. Arun tells Jasmine that, so that is indirect speech. Indirect speech you all have seen. So Arun tells Jasmine, I will not do the extra assignment. Okay, can you all understand? I will not do the extra assignment. So this is how the future form can be written. Okay, or sentence or future form. Okay, they have told that in a past tense. We have written that in a future tense. Okay, Arun tells Jasmine, I will not do the extra assignment. That is what. Okay, next, moving on to the next one. Meenal wants to tell Akshat how happy she'll be this time tomorrow when the last exam is over. Tomorrow by this time when the exam is over, how happy she will be, that he want to tell. Okay, that is how. How can you write this? The same. Meenal tells Akshat, I will be very happy. How she will be happy? So I will be very happy by this time tomorrow. Okay, I will be very happy this time tomorrow when the last exam is over. I will be very happy. I will be very happy by this time. I will be very happy this time tomorrow when the exam is over. This time tomorrow when the last exam is over. When the last exam is over. Okay. Okay, Meenal tells Akshat, I will be very happy. So I will be. So future continuous. Okay, I will be, not future continuous, future simple future. I will be very happy this time tomorrow when the last exam is over. Okay. Next, coming to the next question, Pankaj wants to ask Sheetal if she will be staying with her cousins when she go out to Puerto Rico, okay. So what is the answer? Pankaj asked Sheetal, will you be staying with me? Will you be staying with our cousins? Will you be staying with our cousins? Will be staying. So what is that? Pankaj tells Sheetal will you be staying with us? Will you be staying with us? With our cousins when you go to Puerto Rico. The rest of the sentence is same, okay. Puerto Rico. Okay. This is how a sentence can be written. Will you be staying? He is just asking if she will be staying. If it is a question mark. Will you be staying with me? With our cousins. Will you be staying with our cousins? This is an interrogative question. Okay. Next, moving to the next one. Abhishek wants to announce that he and his sister will throw a party next weekend for all their friends. Abhishek wants to announce that he and his sister will throw a party next weekend for all their friends. So what is the answer? Abhishek announced my sister and I. Okay, Abhishek announced my sister and I will throw இனிமேல் நாங்க செஞ்சாலும் செய்வோம் அந்த மாதிரி தான் ஓகேவா might throw a party next weekend, okay, a party next weekend for our friends, okay, next weekend for our friends. See, very simple, but the sentence is big, okay. Okay, only the sentence mattunna it is very long, but the formation is very easy, okay. Next, moving on to the next one. Anvika wants to tell her friends that she thinks it might rain the next day. And see, all these things were in indirect speech. Indirect speech la irukku. You usually direct speech, indirect speech we have seen, illaya. So this is in the format of all the questions is in the format of indirect speech. We are writing it as a direct speech la eludittu irukom, okay va. Anvika says to her friend, it might rain tomorrow. Avlodha, that is what she is telling. Anvika says to her friends, it might rain tomorrow. It might rain tomorrow. It might rain tomorrow. Okay, va? Okay. It might rain tomorrow. This is what about the first exercise, page number 88 la first exercise we have completed. Next, moving on to the next exercise, fill in the blanks with correct form of the words in the bracket. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the words in the bracket. First one, second exercise la first one, he dash head is the verb that is given, okay. We have to write the future da. He dash head bracket la head the department for 8 years this April is going to come, okay. Till munnadi past la irundhu it is going to happen in future, okay. Now we are in present, so past la irundhu oru vishayatha adutha April varaikum we are extend pandrom appadina, so what we have to use future perfect continuous, okay. So what will be the answer? Will have been heading. Okay, will have been heading. So can you all understand? We have seen in the last class itself what in the definition பார்க்கும்போதே we have seen that where a future perfect continuous is used, when the situation for example, I have been employed in the school before 6 months, but still I am working here. In this April, till April I will be working. So I will have been working here for 6 months till this April அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. So முன்னாடி I have been started this career, still I am pursuing till next future வரைக்கும் it is continuing. So this is not yet completed. Complete ஆகாத ஒரு விஷயம்னா what do we call it as? We will call it as future perfect continuous. So what will be the answer? Will have been working. Will have been working. Heading. Will have been heading. Okay. The next one. What is the next word? Next one. We dash for Paris tomorrow. We dash for Paris tomorrow. So we will be leaving for Paris tomorrow. நாளைக்கு நாங்க போயிடுவோம் அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. We will be leaving. Okay, leave is the word. So we will be leaving. We will be leaving. Then the next one is Monisha said she dashed a cake for me once she is done with her work. Once she is done with her work, I will bake your cake அப்படினு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா? I will bake. நான் வந்து என்னோட வேலையை முடிச்சிட்டேன்னா I will bake. Okay, so Monisha will bake. Then the next one, the warden said sternly, you dash to bed at once. You will go to bed at once. உடனே போயிருங்க. You will go. Okay, you will go. Then the next one is the house dash pass the rule if the opposition has not raised these points. The house dash pass the rule. Okay, would have passed. Okay, and the opposition எதுவும் opposition வந்து இந்த பாயிண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் raise பண்ணாம இருந்தாங்கன்னா இந்த இது முடிஞ்சிருக்கும் அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. So it is just a future perfect which is completed. See, இன்னும் complete ஆகலன்னா that is future perfect continuous which is completed. Futureல complete ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னா that is future perfect. Okay, so what will come? Would have passed. Would have passed. அது முடிஞ்சிருக்கலாம் அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. So that is what. Next, moving on to the next exercise. Choose the correct option and complete the sentence. Choose the correct option and complete the sentence. The same. This time next week I dash holidaying in France. Holidaying. I will holidaying in France. See, this is a future continuous. For continuous, what should come? Holidaying. What should come? Be அப்படின்ற word should come. So obviously, what is the right answer? You don't have. See, you can think two things. One it can be a future continuous, or else it can be a future perfect continuous. But see, there is no been in that. Been irundhuchna you can confuse, but there is no been in that. Will have been அப்படினு இருந்துச்சுனா you can just think, okay, இதுல ஏதா வருமா அப்படி. But there is no been அப்படின்ற word இல்ல. So will be, we will be holidaying next week. In the timeல next week we will be holidaying. So what is the right answer? Will be. Okay, coming to the next one. The officer confirmed that his team dashed the main culprit behind the scam soon. The officer confirmed that his team will be finding out. Will be finding out is not correct. Will find out. Okay, நான் கண்டிப்பா கண்டுபிடிச்சிருவோம் அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? Will find out. Future tense, simple future. Will find out. Will find out. Next, coming to the next one. By 2020, my father dash as the managing director of this company for 30 years. 2020 la my father have been. So what will be? முன்னாடியிலிருந்தே he was working. 2020 he is completing 30 years. So what will be? I have already told you, future perfect continuous. It has started in the past, now he is continuing. Future la ஒரு விஷயம் நடக்க போகுது. So what is that? Future perfect continuous. He will have been working. Okay, will have been working. Will have been working. Okay, then coming to the next one. She promised that she dashed him about it. She dashed him about it. Wouldn't tell, or what is that? She won't tell. She will not tell. Okay, will not da varum, wouldn't varadu, because that is the present tense la da verb irukku. Okay va? So will not adha won't appdin solliranga. Will not da short form la they have written. Okay, or will not tell. Okay, can you all understand? So we have seen these three exercises we have seen. Next we'll take page number next 93 in your book. Page number 95 in your book. Take page number 95 in your book. Okay, see, have you all taken first exercise? Page number 95 la first exercise. Page number 95 first exercise la a question that identify the tense of the main verb in these sentences. We have to identify the what tense, either it is a future perfect continuous, or future continuous, or simple future. That we have to find out. Okay, first question, the teacher will be announcing the results in a while. The teacher will be announcing. We have come and verb plus ing have come. So what is the type of tense? It is a future continuous. Okay, future continuous. Will be announcing is a future continuous. Next one, Sanjeev will have assigned the work to me before I ask him. Sanjeev will have assigned. Will plus have plus past participle. What is the thing? Will plus have plus past participle. This is past participle. Okay, PP means past participle. Will have assigned appdin vandirukka. So what is this? Future perfect. Next year, see question, next year I will have been working here for 2 years. Next year I will have been. Will plus have plus been plus verb ing. Verb plus ing irundichuna what is it ma? It is a future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Okay, future perfect continuous. Okay, can you all understand? Next, moving on to the next one. Next one, will you be waiting till the doctor arrive? Will you be waiting till the doctor arrive? Will you be? Will be plus verb plus ing. Obviously, what is it? Future continuous. Okay, future continuous. Then the next one, will he invest more to revive his business? Will he invest? Simple future. Okay, will he invest? Simple future. Then coming to the next one, Neeraj, it is like a dialogue conversation madri. Okay, but choose the correct option. Second one, a question, Neeraj, have you submitted your notebook? Krishna, no, I will submit. நான் இனிமேல் தான் submit பண்ணுவேன். No சொல்லியாச்சு. No, I have tomorrow அப்படின்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. No, I will submit tomorrow. Okay. I will be submitting will not come. I will submit tomorrow. Will submit. Next, coming to the next question. Neeraja, we will need some vegetable. We will need some vegetables for the pasta. We will need some vegetables for the pasta. Krishna, the shop closed by now. The shop closed by now. Will be closed by now. அப்படின்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. Will be na, it is a future. So will be closed by now is not come. Will closed should not come. So what have to come? Will have been closed. Future perfect. Will have been. Okay, then moving on to the next one. C question. Neeraja, are you free for lunch tomorrow? Krishna, sorry, dash tennis with Pooja. So I will play, or I play, or else what? I am playing. Okay, what will be the answer, ma? I will play tennis with Pooja. I will play tennis. Are you free for lunch tomorrow? Tomorrow da kekranga. Sorry, I will play tennis with Pooja. Okay, so I will play. Next, D question. What is the answer for D question? Neeraja, have you decided when to take your dog to the vet? அப்படின்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Krishna, yes, I will take it tomorrow. Yes, I will take it tomorrow. நாளைக்கு தான் tomorrow அப்படின்னும்போது I will take it. So can you all understand? This is what first two exercises we have seen. Next, moving on to the third one. Third one, rewrite the sentences using about to or going to. About to, going to, that also we have seen earlier. So using that we have to rewrite the sentence. Okay, first one, the weather forecast say that it will rain tomorrow. The weather forecast say that it will rain tomorrow. So what is that? What you can write? It is going to rain tomorrow. Will அப்படின்றதை you can write it is going to rain tomorrow. So you can, how can you write that? The weather forecast says that it is going to rain tomorrow. It is going to rain tomorrow. Okay. Okay. Next, moving on to the next one. The dogs will pounce on the food as soon as I keep the plate on the floor. நம்ம dog கிட்ட அந்த food வச்சதுமே it will be happy and it is jumping here and there. Yeah, pounce. That is what he is telling. The dogs are going to pounce on the food as soon as I keep the plate. So will pounce, and the will pounce na you are just changing it as going to அப்படினு எழுதுறீங்க. ஓகேவா? Okay, how can you write that? The dogs are, so same thing, is going to, and the will rain, it will rain அப்படினதா is going to அப்படினு எழுதிருக்கீங்க. The dogs are going to pounce, are going to pounce are going to pounce on the food as soon as I keep the plate on the floor. Okay, the same, the question is அப்படியே தான் எழுதிருக்கேன். Only that will மட்டும்தான் we are changing it as are going to, is going to. According to the noun or subject we are changing it as singular or plural. Okay, the next one is they will definitely make the announcement next week. They will definitely make the announcement next week. So they are about to give announcement. They are definitely going to make the announcement next week. Okay, they are definitely definitely going to make announcement tomorrow. Make the announcement the next week. The next one, the warning bell will ring soon. The warning bell will ring soon. So what is the warning bell? Bell is going to ring. The warning bell is going to ring. We are just writing it as the will அப்படின்றது is going to அப்படினு தான் எழுதுறோம். ஓகேவா? Warning bell is going to ring. Next, she would have fallen if I hadn't held her from behind. அவங்க கீழ விழுந்தாங்க, நான் பிடிக்கலன்னா she may have fell down அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. So she was about to fall. Okay, she was about to fall, but I held her from behind. So she is about to fall. கீழ விழுந்துற போறாங்க அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம்ல. So that is she was about to fall. It is about to happen அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So that, but I held her from behind. Other rest of the things are same. Okay, okay. This is what